good night. I'm LJ, aka That One Dead Vamp, and today we're at the Kentucky Highland Renaissance Fair.
Giggity giggity go!
I'm here with all my friends. Pan.
God, he's so hot.
Yay! I don't know what to say.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Stop! Are you my beer holder?
Yeah.
I wanted somebody I can.
I love it. Okay. First buy of the day in a Ouija board journal by this lovely, yes. I don't know, it's attached. First buy of the day, I got this beautiful journal by this amazing small artist.
Yep.
I actually just saw her on TikTok, so I had to go say hi and support my local small business.
Say it.
Why are you get his tickets?
Not saying it.
Hey.
Okay, anyways. Go up close and then go across.
Yo, there's Spider-Man.
They have pajamas.
Move your ass, Marcus.
Oh, it's time.
Wow. That's awesome. Spider.
We'll figure it out. Chat, get on.
There you go.
Get home somehow.
Wow, what's his name? Marcus.
This is Peter.
You have a spider?
For chance.
Trying to zoom in on the mother. Blurry.
Does anybody want to say hi to Peter?
I'll say hi from here. I don't want to.
Throw it on Molly.
Whoa.
I was pretty pleased with how tight the Suba fits into the guard, so it doesn't fall out actually
Yeah.
It feels, I noticed that.
And that
30 minutes ago, unfortunately.
that
but
design is beautiful.
You look like you're going to take better care of it, so.
No, I mean, usually with like other swords, they're so easy to pop out.
What terrible thing do you have for me, Susan? Well, this isn't bad. That's one solid piece of metal right there.
It's two.
Oh, boy.
Haha, so that's two swords at the same time. That's what you want to see, right? Yeah!
We'll see. Not only are these twice as thick as the other sword that I swallowed, making it twice as hard to do, but now that there are two, there could be moving parts. If these come apart and come back together like scissors, that's going to slice my esophagus open, and that is a guaranteed trip to the hospital. Not only is it bad, it's very expensive.
And Travis, very cheap.
Thank you.
I just wanted an Arepa.
Okay.
Do I have an Arepa? No. Travis, go buy me one? Yes. Has he? No.
I am going to stack the swords like that, so you see there are two. I'll swallow them. I'm going to kneel. I'm actually not going to kneel here, Susan. This is a hard stage. I don't want to hurt my knee again. So,
Travis.
what?
I came prepared. I bought you a cushion for your old man knees.
Yeah, thank you for caring enough about my old man knees to get me this dollar store knee pad.
It was on sale.
That's great. I'm going to kneel down like this. Susan will come over and pull that first sword out.
And then I'll be the Queen of England.
It does not work like that. It's not the sword in the stone, all right?
Thank you.
I will then pull out the second sword, and both of us will hold them high in the air, and you'll all yell and cheer, right? Because then we'll do our big finale, I hope.
We'll do something.
Something's going to happen.
First date's that way.
Thanks.
Her name's Donna.
Yeah. Well, she's probably busy enough, actually.
It's okay. Susan watches Grey's Anatomy.
Yeah.
I do. I have YouTube. We're fine.
Yeah, I guess we have a sewing kit and YouTube. That's what's going to save me.
Grey's Anatomy now.
That is right in my ear, Susan.
It's okay, because you know what? It created drama.
It gave me drama, or trauma is what it did.
Alright, so you guys got mystery bags?
Yeah. I got a Viking.
Hell yeah.
I got a vampire one.
Very on theme.
Very on theme. Very. It matches our outfits.
Yes.
You go first. Giant fucking rock.
Ooh.
That shit is hefty.
Oh my god, that's heavy.
That shit is hefty.
You try to shine a light to it. Wonder if it's like red.
We have a phone.
But you can make me like
No, it's purple.
Oh. Ooh.
Nice.
That's pretty.
kids.
Sorry.
What else is in there? You want to hold it? Oh my god, that is that earring.
Those are so cute.
I have gauges, bitch.
You still wear them?
Real. I'm gonna get
tunnels.
yeah.
But they're cutesy.
That's it. That's it. Just 2 items. Okay.
That's pretty good. When those earrings themselves would probably be like 10.
I have a necklace.
Ooh.
That ruined on it, it looks like. It is. Oh, it's made out of metal. I can't tell you what rune it is right now. It doesn't say.
That's pretty.
And my thing is.
Ooh. Whoa.
That's cool.
Wow.
And that's all I have. I guess you only get 2 things in those. A stone and some jewelry. Look at those.
God, they're so in love.
My wallet is down there.
He's just a friend of the dragons.
Oh, that's cool.
She got the back of it. I was like,
Oh, I'll follow you.
he says his cups, the more
Yes, sir. Oh, sorry, go ahead.
Is it raining?
It's raining.
It's raining.
Wow.
Oh, it's just really windy.
Chat, are we fried yet? Chat, are we fried yet?
Let's put the camera away.
Chat.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, the flag. That's so Oh, look at that one. Oh my god. Rainbow Floret's one of my favorite crystals, actually. And the rose quartz. That's so awesome! One final little wreath.
I shit post about rocks 3 times a week.
Hell yeah. I love calcite.
Look at this pretty green one. It looks like moss.
Oh, it does. It might be moss agate.
Probably is.
It's bloody hot.
Okay, I want to.
This guy, single eyeball.
New live.
Corn dog. What'd you get?
Tenders.
You got a gyro and a baked potato. It is hot as balls out here. Oh, and some really sweet person gave me this little sticker. So we're feeling like we want to leave now. It is so hot.
We are suffering.
Yeah. The boys are looking at swords and stuff. I'm gonna get a mug, and I think we'll be ready to go.
Should be.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I thought you kept them.
Aura. No, it's fun. Okay, so that's gonna be all for the Ren Faire vlog. Didn't really film as much as I wanted to because it's really hot. We're ready to go. But the last thing I got was this cute little mug. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and good morning.